Welcome back. Okay, so I'm a very much an adapt as I go kind of guy. I look at how everyone else does it, and then I say, hey, maybe I can do something different. The normal course of action is to basically let them feed on their slime coat for 3 to 5 days, start introducing baby brine shrimp. But for that 3 to 5 days, they're really not getting enough of the slime coat. So what I'm using is I'm coating the parents with this. Okay, it's North Finn's Fry Starter. So I take a pinch of it, and that fish trust me, so I put my hand in there slowly over them, and then I release it. So a cloud of this stuff falls onto the parents, and then the babies eat it off the slime coat. This is going to lead to healthier fish, I believe.